in fact, the public sector entities, not just power or even, Coal India, etc. There were also the shipping companies that were doing quite well. So, a Garden Reach, a Cochin Shipyard, Muscat Dock, all of these stocks are firing away in the trading session. But yes, as we were asking the question, when do we see that level of 20,000 on the index? Kunal will help us decode that. Kunal, this month?
Yeah, this month. So we gave the date, I think, last time around when we discussed.
27th?
28.
Okay,
28. So yeah. I believe that's the date. But I think, today's day was more of a picture perfect day for the markets. Large caps making a comeback, short covering on the Nifty, on the bank Nifty, mid caps doing pretty well. Those smaller sectors or, small in terms of the relative size for many of the sectors making a comeback. Many of the defense stocks looking quite strong, charged up. Money moving back into the railways names, real estate stocks looking charged up. So I think it was a picture perfect day for the overall markets. The market breadth look attractive. The India VIX is now back below that 11 mark. I think 10.8 or 10.85 is where the India VIX closed today. So all of the data points are indicative of that this momentum should continue for the index. The next target which you're looking out for, hopefully in the next couple of days or maybe in the next 1 week, should be at the 19,900 mark for the Nifty.
Okay, the reason I asked you the question about 20,000 is it going to happen sooner? Because it's just 300 points and the kind of momentum that you're seeing every day we are piling on 100 points. Is it likely to happen even before 28th September?
Well, early surprises are always good if it happens. But then I think just going with the ideology that on 28th of March, we made a low of 17,000 and then April and subsequently 2 months from there, in the month of June, we had hit that 19,000 mark. So going with that math, I would probably be looking out for 28th of September, hopefully the index making that 20K mark.
Okay, so that was about the Nifty and the index level. But what about the stock specific ideas? Finally, some names from the banking sector as well, Kunal?
Yeah, so I've been highlighting HDFC Bank, etc. for the large cap names, but two stocks from the mid cap arena which look attractive. Deepak Fertilizer is something which today has given a breakout above the 200-day moving average. So looks very attractive for a target of 700. Stop loss at 625, and the second would be IEX. That stock I believe is a strong case or a candidate of a turnaround, at least in terms of the charts and the way most of the indicators are positioned. So target of 150, stop loss at 131.
Okay, interesting to see that Kunal is turning positive on IEX. But with this, we'll let you go on that, Kunal. Thank you so much for joining us today on ET Now.